Utility webbing. This strapping is water resistant and won't stretch like nylon does. Suitable for outdoor use, this heavyweight webbing is a must-have when camping, boating, rafting and more. UV and FADE resistant polypropylene webbing is made from thermoplastic resins. The material is resistant to acids, oil and grease. It even has some ability to float on water. Wide variety of uses. Strapworks polypropylene webbing is tough with a tensile break strength of 675 pounds. It measures 0.06 in thickness and is available in a variety of vibrant colors. Easy to work with, this flexible webbing is easy to manipulate and sew. Made with a tight weave, it's tough and aesthetically pleasing. Use this polypro strapping for crafts, gear repair, and more. World leader in straps, Strapworks is a family-owned company based in Eugene, Oregon. We have been producing the highest quality straps, webbing, tie-downs and more since 1976. Top reviews from the United States. Very strong and non-stretch webbing. The rattan weaving on my canoe seat wore out and needed replacement. Unfortunately, repairing it with rattan would be too much work involving woodworking skills and hours of labor. So I googled a solution: cover the seat with polypropylene webbing. I used about 15 yards of this 3/4 webbing by wrapping it horizontally, then weaving it the other way like how some lawn chairs cover. I had to pull it very tight every step of the way. The finished product is very attractive and very taut. I'm confident that the webbing will support a 200-pound person for many years of paddling. The webbing is very strong and non-stretchy. You can depend on it for strapping down your items for sure. I will purchase one more as spare just in case my other canoe seat needs a repair next summer.